Welcome to our team, SCORE. These are our members. First of all, what we do. SCORE is an open source project that aims to make it easier to choose high school for parents, teachers, and students. Users will have access to many different data analysis functions with a web interface that is both simple and easy to understand. Why we do? The 10th grade entrance exam is an important milestone because it is both decisive for all 3 years of high school and serves as the foundations for the national high school exam. Currently, the 10th grade entrance exam scores are publicly posted on information pages, but only stop at images or discrete data. The lookup as well as the comparison of points between schools take a long time, making it difficult for parents to make the right decisions. Therefore, SCORE was born and developed to support users. Compile admission scores data from the years from 2015 to the present and most perform in most visual way. Combine data analysis functions, sorting, statistics, filtering, rankings, etc. so that user quickly grasps the meaning and correlations of data. Give suggestions for selecting schools based on score estimate and location. How we do. This is SCORE's hierarchical tree. There are 4 main functions, which are search, suggestions, analysis, and visualization and report. Each function has its branches. With search functions, we are able to search by using keywords, school name, school type, year. With suggestions, you can get recommendations based on scores and location. Analysis and visualization point out the correlation of figures and the meaning. Report section provides different kinds of flexible ranking and general statistics. Finally, we can export gather data in multiple formats, such as PDF or Excel for our different purposes. Here are the programming languages which we use to build SCORE website. HTML, CSS for website appearance, JavaScript, PHP for handling data from user input, MySQL for database actions, Python for reconstructing data from images to .csv file. This is a diagram of how SCORE works. First, the system receives keywords from user, then they will be arranged in the logical way and sent to the database server as packages data. After running queries on database, the system gets data on rearranged into tables and graphs. Following that, the front-end will stylize the layout and user interface, and that is what user can experience on our website. This is how database structure. We use the relational database model. The collected data is blended into tables with careful calculation to avoid excess data. At the same time, the designation of primary and foreign key, constraints, and relationship helps to create connectivity across the entire database. With relationship, the queries get data in multiple tables quickly and accurately. The new additional data is collated with the main table to ensure accuracy, even though entered in the different tables. The database is also calculated so that it can be adapted in changes. These are tables of database, their structures and data. We don't use remote data, which doesn't give accurate analysis result. We download the 10th grade entrance exam scores data as images in Ho Chi Minh City from 2015 to the present and plan on the tables. How is data converted? In the first step, we don't have the opportunity to collect raw data. Therefore, we rely mostly on data as images on discrete website. Then we use OCR software, known as optical character recognition, which converts images into raw data in .csv format. In the second step, we use Python program to organize the data so that it is compatible with the analyzed table structure in our database. The result of this is that thousands of lines of data are organized correctly and quickly. In the third step, we import arranged data into tables which have the same structure. In the fourth step, the queries get data from database and display them in website whenever users send requests. Progress. Until now, we have reached the 70% of the progress. Now, we back to score constructed. Here are some functions that are executed well in our website. In developing, we are planning to add administrator page for our website so that the managers can adjust directly on database every year. Future plan. We expect to integrate Google Maps into websites so as to give more details about location and support user decision. On our project, we are looking forward to receiving your support so as to continue improving the project in the future. Thank you for your attention.